Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Did you know you can pay for your Uber rides with cash in select location? I will show you how to set it up and use it step by step. Let's get started. First of all, open the Uber app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Tap your profile, then go to wallet. Look for cash as a payment method. If it's available in your area, you will see the option to select it. When you're booking a ride, select cash as your payment method before confirming your trip. Once your ride is completed, pay the driver directly with cash. And that's it. Paying with cash on Uber is easy and convenient if it's available in your region. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.